How to set a screen time limit on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can set a screen time limit on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically set a screen time limit on Android, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is open up settings on your Android phone. Any Android phone should have a feature known as digital well-being and parental controls. Whether you're on Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Poco, Xiaomi or Samsung or any of the other OnePlus or Nothing devices, then you'll find this little option here, digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it. Once you do that, now if you want to set a screen time limit, you can set a screen time goal, set a goal to help manage your screen time, right? So tap on set goal option. So as for today, let's say I want to set a goal for today, which is only like, let's say I want to use my phone only for 2 hours and not more than that. So I'll simply select 2 hours here. Then I'll tap on the done option and the screen time for today's will get successfully set. That's all it takes to set a screen time limit on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.